This weather, though, I have to say, this is the stuff that really gets me. That grayness.
It's so dreary.
Yes, that's what I wrote about today on our WKYC.com, our weather page. We always write a story up, and my story today was like, this is it. The Cleveland forecast, gray. And this is the beginning of the doldrums. And for a lot of people, this is a very big issue from here until about April. So if you start getting into the blues, don't let it get a hold of you. Get some help because, oh, it can get to you. And this is just the beginning. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Look at all the clouds in the forecast over the next 12 hours as temperatures fade back into the mid-30s for the start of the day tomorrow. It is going to be a cool, damp, cloudy start to the day. But the good news is, as the day goes on, I do think we're going to get to see some sunshine. I'm a-clicking. Ain't nothing happening. Stand by, friends. We're going to switch clickers and maybe give the computer a little bit of a boot at that. As far as the bigger picture, there we go. I think we need new batteries in remote number 2, by the way. Somebody let engineering know. You don't want me changing batteries. Anyway, here's the way things are looking for us. We are in the reds and oranges. Now, we are looking at the wind flow at about halfway up in the atmosphere, 15,000 feet, 700 millibar layer. And the reason this is significant is because a lot of our weather systems will fall right into this category. There's stuff that happens above, there's stuff that happens below, but this is really kind of the main driver, the mean wind flow. And as we go through this week, we're going to have a few bumps and a few pitfalls, too. We get a little bump on Wednesday, which of course makes everybody happy. This is good news, right? And then we get into Thursday, we get into a little bit of a pit, and people are feeling a little shady. I know, it's all right, don't worry, because we're just kind of in the greens here. By the time we get into Friday, we're under a nice bump. Everybody's happy again, all is well, but the problem is once we get to Saturday, we get into a dip, and it's a pretty big one, and everybody knows what's coming after this. As that pit starts to deepen, it's back, right? The poo emoji is back. So yeah, we do end up getting that lake flow, and not just Lake Erie. Notice how the flow is coming down off of the northern lakes as well. So we are locked in with clouds for Sunday. We're probably going to be getting lake effect snow. And when you awaken the northern and western lakes, that also awakens the western part and the southern part of the snow belt. So be ready. By Sunday into Monday, widespread lake effect snow is a possibility. Still way too early to talk accumulations, but I think we will have some. In the meantime, it's that gray Cleveland crud that we have going on, and that will be in the forecast for the start of the day tomorrow. Now, we have the winds that are going to be out of the southwest. That should help us out a little bit through the afternoon tomorrow. Midnight temperatures right around freezing. To start the day tomorrow, we may have some drizzly areas lingering. Temperatures will be in the low 30s. Wind chill's not too far off the mark. That's the good news. It's not going to be terribly windy. But by afternoon, I think we'll start to see some of the clouds breaking up. We'll get some sunshine in here. Winds turning to the south. Temperatures getting a little bit warmer. That is certainly some good news. And by this time tomorrow night, as darkness falls, we'll find the temperatures sliding back once again. But we got that chance for some sunshine tomorrow. Universal Windows Direct forecast has us in the mid and upper 40s for tomorrow with those partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. Enjoy it. By the time we get into Wednesday, we start sunny or partly cloudy, and then rain catches up to us. Thursday, there's our first pit. Remember, we talked about little shady emoji in there with the mid 40s. We get a nice bump on Friday into the 50s, and then by Saturday, windy, rainy, and then the cold air arrives late Saturday into Sunday with that lake effect snow chance.
That would be that other emoji that comes in at that
Yes.
point. Okay, all right, just checking.
We're
Full range
going to
of
start
emotions
potty
there.
training, so poo is very important in my house.
Oh, good luck, Bea.
Good luck with that.
Yeah, right. Good luck, Mommy.